Dumaguete VTS, Dumaguete VTS, Dumaguete VTS. This is Motor Vessel Island Trader, India Sierra Lima Alpha November Delta Tango Romeo Alpha Delta Echo Romeo. Call sign Delta Golf Lima 290, over.
Motor Vessel Island Trader, Delta Golf Lima 290. This is Dumaguete VTS. Good afternoon. What is your message? Over.
Dumaguete VTS, we are preparing to depart the inner harbor. We have observed some floating debris, possibly logs, near the entrance channel fairway buoy. Requesting if you have any information or warnings regarding this, over.
Motor Vessel Island Trader, acknowledge. We have received reports of some floating debris in that vicinity due to recent heavy rainfall. Mariners are advised to exercise caution. We are dispatching a harbor patrol vessel to assess and, if possible, clear the immediate channel, over.
Dumaguete VTS, warning received regarding the debris. We will proceed with caution. Thank you for the information and the action being taken, over.
Motor Vessel Island Trader, Roger. Report if you encounter any significant obstruction. Dumaguete VTS, out.
Will do. Dumaguete VTS, Island Trader, out.